we were treated to a brilliant defensive masterclass from the Reggae girls as they drew 0-0 with France at the FIFA Women's World Cup, Jamaica's first ever point at this global showpiece. It was also the first time that Jamaica were picking up back-to-back clean sheets since 2022, because remember, prior to this game against France, Jamaica picked up a clean sheet with a 1-0 victory over Morocco. And now, of course, the attacking side of things also has some brilliant potency as well. Here are some players for Jamaica to keep a very, very close eye upon. First off, let's look at a player that is fresh off of winning a trophy overseas in Europe, and that is a 31-year-old forward, Tiffany Cameron. 3 seasons in Hungary, 4 trophies to her name. Her last season at FC Yor, well, she took them to the Hungarian Cup and also helped them to finish second within the league. In 22 appearances, 21 goal contributions. That tells you everything about the efficiency and potency. And guess what? Whenever she plays for Jamaica and she starts for Jamaica and she scores for Jamaica, Jamaica always wins. That's right. Every time Tiffany Cameron scores, Jamaica wins. So that's a nice little omen, isn't it? Let's move on to another player, and that is Cameron Simmons. We've seen Cameron Simmons quite some time, especially playing for the under-20 Reggae girls quite recently as well. And stepping up to the senior team, she has stamped her class and authority as well, especially the Tour of Australia earlier this calendar year, where she scored against the Czech Republic. She may be only 19 years of age, but she's performing like a seasoned professional. Up next on this list, we're going to look at Kayla McKenna. You probably remember her as Kayla McCoy, but she got married quite recently, and now she is Kayla McKenna. Fresh off of a move to Villarreal, Kayla McKenna is in sublime form as well after scoring goals for fun with Rangers in Glasgow, Scotland. So she has now made the move to Villarreal in La Liga, and she'll also be linking up with Tiffany Cameron, who has joined Real Betis, also in La Liga as well. Other attacking options for the Jamaicans, 29-year-old forward Cheyna Mathews, who applies her trade with Chicago Red Stars. Tenacity, hard work, discipline, you name it, this young lady has it all. A tremendously talented player playing in her second World Cup for Jamaica. Other attacking gems, Paige Bailey-Gale. The 21-year-old Paige Bailey-Gale plies her trade with Crystal Palace in England, and she is also known for her creativity, the spark, the guile to be able to create more goal-scoring opportunities for Jamaica. And how could we forget Kiki Van Zanten? She scored her first goal for Jamaica against Costa Rica in the third-place playoff of the 2022 CONCACAF W Championship last year. That important goal from Kiki helped Jamaica to advance to the Olympic qualifier playoff, as Jamaica will face Canada after the World Cup, home and away. That crucial goal that she scored ensured that Jamaica has one last chance to try to qualify for Paris 2024. Jody Brown, a player that scores a goal every 180 minutes for Jamaica. Crafty, diligent, and also has a wonderful strike as well. Jody Brown, another key spark to look out for the Jamaicans. In terms of other attacking gems as well, sometimes you see them in the middle of the park, sometimes a little bit higher, but look out as well for Trudy Carter. Yes, she's appearing in her second World Cup as well, and another individual to keep a very, very close eye upon. And last, but certainly by no means least, one of the youngest players in the squad at 18 years of age, Solai Washington. Yes, she's the younger sister of Giselle Washington. Solai Washington, similar to Cameron Simmons, took her opportunity in Australia earlier this year and grabbed it in that game against Czech Republic and created numerous goal-scoring opportunities. So yes, everyone is disappointed that Bunny Shaw won't be involved against the Panamanians, but do not fear, because there are a lot of goals within this team. And with the 8 to 9 players that we've just named just a while ago, there will be goals for sure for Jamaica as we now hunt another piece of history, Jamaica's first win at a FIFA Women's World Cup.